Good morning students, I am Venil, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Pondicherry College of Engineering. So today in this video class, I am going to teach you about example problem of NFA to DFA conversion. Already in the previous class, I taught you about the same problem, how to convert NFA to DFA. So I will remember you, first step is subset construction, second construction of transition table, and third step is transition function. Renaming state, that is optional, transition function, and fourth step is construction of transition diagram. So if you construct, follow this fourth step, and final construction of transition diagram is DF. So I told you first we have to check whether the given problem is NFA, right? So whether this given problem is NFA, yes, because what is the difference between NFA and DFA? Last video class I taught you what is the difference between NFA and DFA. NFA, it can read the input 2 times or more times, or it doesn't read the input, okay? But DFA, it should read the input 1 time, exactly 1 time, okay? So see, P comma 0, so PQ, so P state P, it reads this input 0 and goes to 2 state, P and Q, okay? I convert this transition, this is the question, they are given transition table, and from the transition table itself we can find this is the NFA, okay? Because P, the state, it reads 0 and it goes 2 state, okay? P comma 0 P and P comma 0 Q, and I'm converting this transition table into transition diagram. So how many state I have? P Q R S, P Q R S. So P comma 0 P Q, so P comma 0 P and Q, P comma 1 P, so P comma 1 P, right? And Q comma 0 R, so I'm writing Q comma 0 R, and then Q comma 1 is also R, so comma 1, Q comma 1 is also R. That's what I draw this transition diagram from the transition table. Clear? Okay. So this is NFA, right? Because P, it read the input 2 times, and R, it doesn't read the input 1. So this is NFA. And I want to convert this NFA into DFA. So DFA means we have to form a structure that every state it read the input exactly 1 time, right? Okay. So first step is subset construction. I told you the formula is P of n equal to 2 power n. So 2 power n, n means number of state. So how many states we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 power 4, that is 16. Okay, I formed 16 subset. So you just compare with the last problem. 15 subset. So how I'm forming a subset is, first one is empty set and second one is single state P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S, and then double P, Q, P, R, Q, S, P, Q, P, S, and Q, R, Q, S, and R, S. Okay, triple state P, Q, R, P, R, S, Q, R, S, P, Q, S, and then 4 state P, Q, R, S. So like this I formed a subset construction. So I have 16 subsets. Okay, and then construction of transition table. Right, this is a big transition table. So I know. I told you this is the state, row wise it is a state and column wise that is the input. Okay, first empty set I have to mark it as empty, pi, and P comma 0 it goes to P and Q, right? See, P comma 0 it goes to P as well as Q, and P comma 1 it goes to P. Clear? And Q comma 0 Q comma 1, so Q comma 0 it goes to R, Q comma 1 it goes to R. That's what I've written here. And if it is PQR, so I will check PQR comma 0. So I have to check P comma 0, Q comma 0, R comma 0. Already the basic things I taught you in a previous example, example 1. Okay, once again I will remember you. PQR comma 0 means I have to check P comma 0, Q comma 0, and R comma 0. Like P comma 0 PQ, Q comma 0 R, and R comma 0 S. That's why PQRS. I written PQRS. Okay, so I will check this PQRS comma 0 and PQRS comma 1. So PQRS comma 0 means I have to check P comma 0, Q comma 0, R comma 0, S comma 0. What is P comma 0? PQ, Q comma 0 R, and R comma 0 S, S comma 0 S. So similarly we have to form a transition table like this. Okay, and if you have any doubts in this, you just check the previous video class, that is example 1, you may understand. Okay, then third step is construction of transition function. So I told you how to construct a transition function is we have to take a starting state first. So which one is starting state? P is a starting state. Okay, that I have to mark it as A. And now then delta D of A comma 0, because for this A I have to go with 0 moves as well as 1 move. What is A comma 0? A comma 0 means P comma 0 and P comma 1. So P comma 0 I can take it from the transition table. P comma 1 I can take it from the transition table. And P comma 0, that is A comma 0, I will get PQ, right? So I have to check this is new state or old state. This is new state because P is a old state. So PQ is a new state, so I have to mark it as B. And A comma 1 I get P. See, A comma 1. A means P. So P comma 1 I will get P. That's what I returned here, right? So P is a new state or old state. P is a old state. That is P A. That's what I returned A here. Okay. And then I got a new state B. So I go with B comma 0 and B comma 1. So if you check B comma 0, B means nothing but PQ. So PQ comma 0, PQR. That's what B comma 0, PQR. Similarly, B comma 1, PR. Right? So PQR is a new state. So C, PR is a new state D. And C comma 0, similarly I return C comma 0 and C comma 1. So I got new state E and D. And D comma 0, I got a new state F, and D comma 1 I got the old state, since P is a old state A. Similarly I have to return like I will get till H. There is no I, so H. So we can start from here, right? Okay, so I think you will get clear. And last step is transition function. I will rub this, okay? Transition function. So if you draw the transition function, you should get a DFA. Okay, how many states I got? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So I want to mark which one is starting state and accepting state. So starting state it is P, that is A. So starting state. And now I have to mark it as what is A comma 0. A comma 0 it is B. So it goes B. And before that I have to mark it as accepting state. See, in this diagram S is an accepting state, right? In the transition table S is an accepting state. Question, S is an accepting state. So whenever S comes here, everything is an accepting state. See, A, there is no S. B, there is no S. C, there is no S. D also there. E, there is S. So E is an accepting state. Similarly, F also have S. So F is an accepting state. And G also have S. So G is an accepting state. And H also have S. So H is an accepting state. Okay. So similarly, here we have S. So we have to write star. Accepting state, accepting state. Here there is no S. Here is accepting state, accepting state, accepting state. And S is an accepting state. Okay. Right. So now A comma 0. A comma 0 it goes B. So 0. Now A comma 1 it goes A. Right. So here it is 1. And now B comma 0 it goes C. So here it is 0. And B comma 1 it goes D. And B comma 1 it goes D. Here it is 1. And C comma 0 it goes E. C comma 0 it goes E. 0. And C comma 1 it goes D. C comma 1 it goes D. And D comma 0 it goes F. D comma 0 it goes F. And D comma 1 it goes A. See, D comma 1 it goes A. And E comma 0 it goes E. So E comma 0 it goes E. E comma 1 it goes G. E comma 1 it goes G. And F comma 0 it goes E. F comma 0 it goes E. So arrow mark you have to put reverse. And F comma 1 it goes G. Okay. And G comma 0 it goes F. So here it is 0. And G comma 1 it goes H. H comma 0 it goes F. H comma 0 it goes F. Better you don't cut this, so better you can put like this. h comma 0 it goes f, h comma 1 it goes h. Okay, so final transition diagram I will get like this. So check whether this is a DFA. Yes, see what is DFA? Every state can read the input. I have two input exactly one time. See A, it read the input 0 and B and 1, and B 0 and 1, C 0, C 0 and 1, D it goes 0 and 1, and E 0 and 1, F 0 and 1, G 0 and 1, H also 0 and 1. Okay, so all the input it reads 0 and 1 exactly one time. Clear? Okay, now we have to check whether the answer, and you can check it by giving one string. You can check it, I mean 001, you can check it, no problem. As the previous example, you can check the string which is accepted from the NFA as well as DFA. If both transition diagram it is accepted, the problem is correct. Okay, because what are the string accepted in NFA, it should accepted in DFA, because we are finding DFA from that NFA. What are the string it should not accepted DFA, it should not accepted NFA also. Clear? So this is example 2. So we can expect any one of the problem, this NFA to DFA conversion. Mostly this is very important. You take a paper and pen and you take a rough note and you work out this problem. Clear? And you compare with the previous problem, because previous problem I taught you the basics how to solve this and this is the biggest problem. So you just work out it and compare with the previous problem. Okay, thank you.